Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be baking challah bread. If this is your first time in my channel, kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. I'll start by adding 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, here I'll add 1/4 cup of sugar, half tablespoon of yeast, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, then crack in 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of water, 1/8 cup of olive oil, then gently mix them together. Okay, this is fine. So I'll use my hands and knead it until the dough comes together. Then flour my workstation, tip the dough on it, then knead it until it becomes smooth and elastic. Here I have a greased bowl. Put the dough in it, cover it with a tea towel and let it double in size. This is fine. So I'll knock out the gas. Flour my workstation. Tip the dough on it. Gently knead the dough to form a ball. Here I'll divide it into 6 equal pieces. Pick up a piece, then roll it into a round, smooth balls. Okay. Then do the same for the remaining 6 pieces. Here I'll pick up a piece, gently roll it till it's about 25 to 30 centimeters long. Okay. Okay, this is fine. I repeat the same process for the first 3. Now it's time to braid. I'll pick the 3 rolled out doughs, pinch their heads together, then neatly braid them tightly. Okay, this is fine. I'll repeat the same process for the remaining 3. Now cover them with a tea towel and let it double in size. Okay, this is fine. Gently brush the egg wash on them and also sprinkle my sesame seed. I'll bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until it turns golden brown. And here is our beautiful challah bread. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.